MCIS site administrators and staff account holders can view and edit their site's user portfolios to perform a variety of tasks and to track their students' and clients' progress through the system. This tutorial will demonstrate how to find user portfolios, view a student or client's progress on self-surveys, course planner, and other tools, and how to merge two or more portfolios. Searching for portfolios. For all activities in this tutorial, you'll first need to log into your admin or staff account and find the portfolios you want to work with. Here's how. Hover over the Portfolios and Groups tab. Choose Manage Active Portfolios. In the Manage Active Portfolios screen, you can search for an individual portfolio by last name, a group of portfolios from the group dropdown, the portfolios for an entire grade by graduation year, or generate a list of all portfolios on the site. If you can't find the portfolio you're looking for, it may be hidden. To check, hover over the Portfolios and Groups tab and select View Hidden Portfolios. If the portfolio you need is listed, unhide it by checking the box beside it and clicking Unhide Selected Portfolios. Select Portfolio Task dropdown. The tasks are to hide, transfer, or merge selected portfolios, to create a parent account upload template, and to reset passwords. In the Manage Active Portfolio screen, you can work with portfolios individually or as a group. The underlined items in each row will perform a task for that individual portfolio. You can reset a password or edit a user's information such as their username, first and last names, address, email address, graduation year, unique ID, and more. You can also delete individual portfolios, view a user's progress, or create a parent account. A number of tasks can be performed from the menu directly above the list of portfolios. Click Select to select all portfolios. Click Unselect to unselect all portfolios. Click Export to generate a spreadsheet with the information entered into each profile, including addresses, phone numbers, and the last date of access. Click Upload for export to generate a spreadsheet in the appropriate format for uploading into MCIS. Click Print to print out the results of your portfolio search. How to view a user's progress through MCIS. From the Manage Activity Portfolio screen, find the individual user whose information you want to view and click View. Check the boxes beside the items you would like included in the progress report. Then click View Selected Items. A progress report detailing those items will appear in a new window. If you want to view progress reports on multiple portfolios, you will need to run a report using the Reports tab. Using the Reports tab will be covered in a separate video. How to merge portfolios. Occasionally, a user will be unable to find results for an assessment they are sure they completed. Often this happens because they have multiple portfolios that they created in different years. In these cases, it is simple to merge the information from two or more portfolios. Here's how. Using the Search Portfolios feature, find all portfolios belonging to the same person. From the Portfolio Select screen, select those portfolios and choose Merge Portfolios from the task dropdown. On the Merge Portfolio screen, you will be asked which portfolio to designate as the primary portfolio. It is a good idea to choose the account with the most up-to-date information, such as the most current email address. The username and password for the primary portfolio will be used for the merged portfolio. Click Select to beside the portfolio you want to designate as the primary and click Continue. Red text will alert you if the merge has been successful.